All right, here we go. We're going to be just breaking down this trade real quick. So we've got the midnight opening range, and I did first off, I did record this before, and I had the audio going while I was recording, but the audio got fucked up, so I'm voiceover in this. Anyway, we got the midnight opening range right here. Price trades above the midnight opening range. We're respecting the fucking consequent encroachment or mean threshold, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We're respecting 50% of the midnight opening range. We're above midnight opening price. Can't really close below. We're not getting displacement below midnight opening range. Price displaces above midnight opening range, then we pull back. We get the change in say delivery right there, and then on the way out of the midnight opening range, I take my long right there, just below the right there. It fills me right at the positive 0.5 extension of the range. Now, the whole point of this model is to catch the first expansion after the midnight opening range prints, and this is between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. You can usually catch this trade. So it's the first expansion after the range prints. So anyway, price broke above the range. We retested. We couldn't get back to the midnight open. This is bullish. And then price starts to trade higher. So I took my entry. Price then traded higher. And as we, traded higher, I kind of trailed my stop loss. My original stop was under the midnight open range, so just on the opposing side to begin with. And then as we legged up on that first run up, I moved the stop to consequent encroachment of the midnight opening range, just to reduce risk. And then as we rallied away on the second leg up, then I trailed my stop to break even. Like, actually, after we put in the swing that swept liquidity right inside of that fair value gap, that's when I moved my stop to break even. Because if we were going to put that swing low in, I would want us to see swing highs be broken, and I would not want to see, more than 50% of that gap be closed. So stop was break even at that point because my entry was pretty much at the bottom of that gap, and I didn't want to see that gap be closed. Price rallies away towards my target, and then as we hit that, +3 extension right there, I trailed my stop again, locking in, a little bit more profit. I think, what was I locking in? About $345 right there, just waiting for price to hit my final take profit, which it does right there. So yeah, easy trade, London, midnight opening range, Caleb's London model, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Pretty easy trade. I catch this trade, quite frequently. You can too. Listen to what the fuck I'm telling you to do. You'll see it. Toodles.